Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with CSGO where the game crashes when loading the map. So without wasting time, and let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first method, open up your Steam. In the Steam, right click on your CSGO game and click on the option Manage and choose the option Browse Local Files. Here you will find csgo.exe file. Right click and choose the option Delete. Once deleted, close it. Now again right click on CSGO and choose the option Properties. Here click on the installed files and click on the option Verify integrity of game files. Wait for it to finish the completion of process. Once the verification is completed, close it. Now right click and choose the option Manage and again click on the option Browse Local Files. Here the CSGO file will be reinstalled. Right click on it and choose the option Properties. Now click on the Compatibility tab and here make sure two options are unchecked. First one is run this program as in compatibility mode, it must be unchecked, and second option is run this program as an administrator. This option must be unchecked. After unchecking these options, hit apply and OK button. Now close it. Now click on the option play and check if the CSGO still crashes when loading the map. Now if this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Again right click on the game, click on the option Properties and choose Browse Local Files. Here open CSGO folder and right click on CFG folder and choose the option Copy. Save it and anywhere you want. Suppose I'll save it onto my desktop, so if there is any abnormality, I'll just copy it from the desktop and paste right in this folder. Now right click on CFG and choose the option Delete. Once it is deleted, close the folder, open the Steam app and hit the play option and then launch the game and check if you are still getting the issue of CSGO crashing when loading the map. One more thing friends, after deleting the CFG folder, make sure you close this Steam application even from this taskbar. After closing, restart your PC and then relaunch the Steam to fix out the issue of CSGO crashes when loading the map. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the last step. Again right click on CSGO and choose the option Properties. Here click on the General tab. Scroll down and here you will find Launch options. Whatever the option is available over here, just delete it. And then you need to do a hit and trial method, which means I have these 4 launch options that you need to copy from the description of this video and paste right over here in the launch options. Once pasted, close it. Now hit the play button. Now if first one doesn't work out, one by one enter second, third and fourth. You need to try these 4 options one by one and then hit the play option to fix out the issue of CSGO crashing when loading the map. Hopefully these methods will completely help you fix out the crashing issues with Counter-Strike Global Offense. Now if this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.